Hello there. My name is Lauri Albert, and I am absolutely thrilled to be part of the virtual Mind Body Spirit Festival. In my manifestation session, I will be discussing, of course, a lot of important ways to manifest your best life. But what we will also be doing is beginning the process of looking at our thoughts and thought patterns, and then learning ways to actually shift the negative and less than happy thoughts to ones of pure positivity, possibility, and high vibration. Get ready to rock it, friends. It's going to be fun. I'll see you soon.